Have some delicious garlic mashed potatoes, green peas, English peas, delicious pepper, onions, smothered, cube steak with gravy, and just some dinner rolls, guys. Thanks for joining me, and come on in. Let's sit down and have a meal together, okay? Okay, guys. Hello, hello, my karma babies. Thank you so much for joining me for dinner tonight. Yes, I'm having some delicious green peas or English peas, garlic mashed potatoes, and I have some amazing cube steak that melts in your mouth with gravy and peppers and onion, and I have some little brown and served dinner rolls. So you know what? Let's get this mukbang started. We're gonna start right away, guys, and I have to confess that I, yes, have been eating already because the potatoes, I had to taste everything. Listen, so good. Look at this cube steak. I can just about cut it. I can cut it actually with my fork. It's that tender. Look at that. Melts in your mouth. Melts in your mouth. It's delicious. And I always forget to get a thumbnail, guys. I'm going to leave the link to the recipe for the cube steak and gravy and the garlic mashed potatoes. I'm going to leave a link down below. Those little brown and served are always a nice addition to your meal. I hope you can see my plate good, guys. These pretty things always distract me. Oh, they smell wonderful. Rosemary, and it tastes great on this. This is so delicious. Really, really good. Grandpa had his dinner. He enjoyed it. He picked out the cube steaks. You know how Grandpa, he can really come up with some really tasty meals, you know? I hadn't had cube steaks in a long time. Very long time. And these are fabulous. My mashed potatoes are so flavorful because I cooked them in I put a little bit of chicken broth in there, in the water, and just let them boil away. You know what, guys? This is a really good meal. Very, very tasty. The flavors are not overpowering. The flavors are very nice and mild. I want you to try this recipe. I think you'll really enjoy it. It's really delicious. Really, really delicious. I would serve this meal to anyone. I would not. You see? You know, I had to drop something, guys. Okay, let's try this again. Guys, I'm sorry about that. Just a few minutes ago, I dropped my camera. You guys know, just about every video, something has to drop on me. I drop things all during the day, and Thomas always says, you know what, when you get old, you always drop things. That's kind of a running joke with us. These are so absolutely melt in your mouth. Seasoned just right. I'm going to eat 2 of them. I forgot to bring my water, guys. Oh, I did 2 lives outside, and both times it came out very blurry. I don't know why. When I did the live in the house, it came out perfect. I'm thinking it's just too much sun, unless I'm actually sitting, you know, inside of the truck, but outdoors, it may just be too much sun in the way that I'm putting the camera, you know, because it was really blurry, grainy, not good quality at all. So I'm going to be doing another live from inside. And hopefully Grandpa will do it with me. We can take some questions. So what I want you to do Can't promise your grandpa's going to be there, but what I need you to do is, in this video, type some questions that you would like to, answers to. What a delicious meal. This has made me very happy. And you saw how easy it was. This gravy is awesome. Made with the Lipton onion soup and chicken broth. Peppers, onion. So how have you guys been doing? Grandpa is doing really well. He really is. I'm so happy for that. I'm so thankful. Guys, I'm just about finished, almost. This is so good. Am I glad I made this? It's so yummy. Please try the recipe. This cube steaks, mashed potatoes, they're gone. Oh, God. Absolutely delicious. Remember, how others treat you, it's their karma. How you respond is your karma. So, I always take the high road, my karma babies. I always take the high road. You don't know what motives or where the other person is coming from, and it's not up to you to know where they're coming from or to dissect their agenda. Just know what yours is. Until the next video, my karma babies, I'll see ya. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye.